Okay, I got this package in the mail today from a guy that I know in Hawaii named Bernard. See, what happened was, this is the power supply to my 400 string. Got caught in the door. Snapped the thing off. He kindly has agreed to send me a new one. So I received this package, and that's an awful large package. Oh, you see. Now you'll notice the side's been ripped for me, but I don't really have a good idea what's in here. Everyone else does. I don't. All right, let's see what we got. Snack. I love snacks. Bubble wrap for the children.
And the wife. Who's not the one standing behind him, by the way.
24 volt, 1.5 amp. Yep, that is the correct power supply. I can fix my lights. Oh my God, what is this? Premium Premix Arare. Does that say Arare? Looks like some super yummy trail mix. Chex Mix custom stuff. Betty's Best Furikake mix. I evidently don't speak enough Hawaiian to be able to pronounce this stuff properly. Oh my goodness. Sea salt peanut butter pretzel. I love pretzel balls too. Sweet. Oh my goodness. He snacked me up. This is like a gift package, better than the one I got when I was in the military. Cornflake cookies. I've never heard of cornflake cookies.
I haven't either.
I bet they're so good though. I love cornbread. What else we got? Chocolate chip mac nut cookies. I can't wait. I gotta eat this. I can figure out how to open it. Yeah. Oh, it was good if it found.
Not right now. My hands are busy holding your phone.
All right. More chocolate chip cookie dough cookies?
Yeah, I want to try those.
Dark chocolate sea salt caramel. I wasn't expecting all that, just this. Thanks a lot, Mr. Bernard.